go.
All right.
So yeah, that's pretty much the plan. I think
Yeah. Okay.
gold as well. Gold, mad. We did have a stop here at 13 at the zone, but just decided push through again. It did stop. That's nice. Push through, retested this area again, and then continue down. Now we're stopping at 18, pretty much at 1811, 1802 zone.
Yeah.
I'm expecting it. If it already went down this much, maybe we can even do a further leg down. The thing is, at Frankfurt Open, this price started pushing, right? And
Yeah.
I was looking, I was like, I see 5-minute entry. Look on the 5-minute, there's a perfect entry over here. But it does not make sense to me that starts to pull up before London Open. So I'm expecting price to go deeper down now, deeper down, and then do a fake out, and then continue moving up.
Got you.
Yeah, let's see. We already had London Open, so maybe the fake out is going to be very, very soon.
Right.
If you would have taken this around a 15 pip stop, probably would have targeted this area's first level over here, 45 pips around that.
Sure.
And went up around 56.
Yeah.
FF Trader, morning, Luke. Trust you are well. Hope you are well as well. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. We are back in the London session live streams again. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, there's some big zones right now here on gold because we have a lot of movement as well. So yeah, let's see what happens. We can see we're pushing through zones very, very fast. Remove this one and oh, and there we go. Oh, my days. Every time I start YouTube, something weird goes on. Something weird happens. Can you still hear me or not?
Yeah, I can still hear you.
It's just YouTube, I think. Weird. Is YouTube still working? Is it one of you guys on YouTube?
I can have a look for you.
I got 55 pips using your strategy, Luke. Yeah, you probably bought that little 5-minute candle, didn't you, Leon? Nice one. Yeah, the break of structure retest. Now, another alert's in there if we wants to go back up to 56, 58. I wanted to sell over there, but decided to just keep on dumping after that.
YouTube's fine, Luke.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you for checking. Yeah, now we're just waiting over here. See what happens. See, we're tapping into the zone. We're now did have a support created 1808. 1808 is still something I'm trying to see if it really wants to still work as a zone. We can see this top level over here. We pushed in. Now we pushed out again. Now we're pushing away from it again. But let's see what happens. Maybe pin bar close on a 15-minute time frame would be a great confirmation for a buy. But I got a feeling that something else might happen. Now, what you could possibly say, what happened over here, right? We got these highs, and we closed above these highs that we just faked out. That's a possibility right there, right? We didn't have any weird things over here. We just had one more retest to the downside. If you compare it to this zone to the left, there was a retest, and now we closed above, and all of a sudden we pushed down. Now that could be that fake out where people already were too greedy and FOMO to buy, and they would be around in a 37 pip and currently in a 27 pip drawdown. So I think that was the first fake out. And yeah, especially on this 5-minute candle, the way we push down. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see maybe if we can go back one more time deeper. I also see this zone being retested because we pretty much had a break of structure over here. So we had this move coming down, right? We were moving down right here. A very nice arrow. And you can see that we're making these, let's say as an example from this top for the moment, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. What was this? Breakout. We have a continuation up. We breaking all these highs, right? We don't care. Lower, so making higher highs, higher low. Failed higher high, London Open, lower low, lower high, So we should possibly come back to this area for a buy. But we have to check it out. What happens? Maybe wait for a 15-minute confirmation or 5-minute confirmation. That's my plan. Currently, stop loss would be pretty big, so be careful for that. Also, target has to be bigger. If your stop loss is bigger, take that as a note. Currently, 15 pip stop is not bad on gold, but overall, if you look at some different candles, it could be a lot bigger. Yeah, personally, I'm gonna wait a little because there is a 15-minute candle closing pretty bearish right now, not pin bar like as I want to see. As we can see, this wick is smaller than body. It's closing in 10 seconds. Maybe it's gonna close as a pin bar, but let's see. As the body is around, the wick is around 11. Body is right now around 13, especially right now it's going down a little further, so around 14. Yeah, so there's no confirmation for me to get a buy yet. 5-minute is nice, but we can see we're rejecting topside again, so let it come down, and we're gonna play around with it in that zone, right? Don't worry about it. If it goes now, then it is what it is. But you have to just wait for the right confirmations to get quality trades instead of just quantity entries and shooting with a machine gun trying to hit all the targets. Man, like AJ.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Man's driving in that. Man's in the whip.
Yeah.
Where's your seatbelt?
Oh, it's over here. It's right here.
I heard the beep.
It's right here.
Oh damn, boy. How you doing, man?
Chilling.
Wait, where did you go?
I took,
You driving?
my mom was at work.
Oh shit.
And she was like, I want to see my grandson. I was like, hey, come see him. She's like, nah, bring him to me. The people at my work want to see him and stuff. I was like, all right, bet.
Damn.
So I went to drop him off for a little bit.
Nice,
Now I'm
nice,
heading home.
nice, man. You found the link this time, innit?
Yeah, dude, I didn't know that you had to manually add the channels.
Yeah, you manually add those channels and then you're able to see it. That's
Yeah, I didn't know that. It has a bunch of channels I didn't see.
yeah, it could be a pain, but every time you add channels as well, you have to like make an announcement that there's new channels.
Yeah, but yeah, I didn't know there was new channels.
Yeah, man.
I didn't know anything.
Did you see that gold drop from yesterday? Mad.
Oh yeah, I was in that shit. I'm still in that shit.
Mad. What's your entry?
45. 1845.
Damn, boy. That drop. That drop. I'm looking for buys.
Where is it at right now?
1805.6.
Yeah, I was expecting it to. I'm expecting it to reach back to like the 4-hour zone where it broke out of, that 4-hour order block, which is now a breaker.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting it to reach back there, and I have sell limits there.
Okay.
To sell again. I think it was the 1830s area, 1820s area.
Oh yeah, I can see. Oh yeah, I see this one over here. That's like 1827, 1823.
Exactly. That's where I'm looking at it, because that was where the
nice.
area that I was expecting it to respect, right?
Yeah, I was at
I
this.
took
Yeah.
I took a small L on that, because I had buy limits there as well, and yeah, it got stopped out real quick.
Damn.
And yeah, but it's all good. It's part of the game. So like now I know that this area is gonna come back. It's gonna come back to reject this area.
For sure.
It's gonna do something like this. It's gonna go like this and then
drop. I'm looking at this area as well. We had this block formed over here.
I'm honestly just looking at it now. I'm just expecting. I'm honestly thinking that it might come back down to like 1700s.
Like just drop in one go.
Not at one go, but I'm gonna probably see it. You remember that wick on the weekly?
Yep.
That long ass wick. I think it might want to go there again.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Big man things. Yeah, invite Koala real quick as well. Got. Wait.
Yeah, I said I'm also keeping this in mind.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at the same zone, like exact same zone. I didn't pull it down to 85 though, but oh yeah, right here, this candle, the same zone.
Yeah, exactly.
Looking at that as well, we're probably gonna reject up that somewhere inside
Yalla,
here.
yalla, yalla.
Big man things. Good morning, Luke. Already hit 200 pip wins this morning. TPs were hit. But savage.
200 pips.
Yep. Mad. Mad. Let's see. I missed the cells on GJ. Was just after Asian over here. Nice as well.
Oh, look at that order block. Beautiful.
Yeah, right here. Here. I'll
Yeah.
mark that up. I had a alarm over here at 150 to wait for price to push inside. And that, well, I didn't wake up. And then it pushed inside, made a nice rejection candle over here, and then pushed away from it again. Now I'm looking at the 30-minute maybe to go back to this candle over here where we pushed away from. But it's dropping. Dumping right now. For GJ, like, mad. 70 pip drop from that level. But you don't wait for any confirmation, right? You just wait for your zone to tap and then take it. AJ? Okay. Look, we're trying to reject over here the 30-minute. We're showing pin bar, so there's a high chance that the next candle is going to break the high and continue moving up to start retesting soon. And gold, yeah, we're waiting. This is the reason why I was not buying on this candle. It's not strong enough, and yeah, the 15 confirmation was not there. Look on the 15-minute time frame compared to the wick. Wick is around 10 pips. Body is around 15 pips. Yo, Guala, I sent you a link in the YouTube. So YouTube in the link in the WhatsApp. Some mad thing. Let's put on some music. Have any music? Get it, fam. But let's see. See what happens. See a push away from this level, breaking the high. But staying strong, no FOMO. Just waiting. Wait for your zone to be tapped, and then we're gonna start looking to get some entries. Was close to the zone though, around 5 pips, and you know the 5 pip level. Let's see. DJ was such a nice opportunity. Now we're just gonna wait for it to come back up again. GU is a little different. I haven't looked at GU since today that much, so we're down below right now. We pushed away from this level again, and that was a very nice possible sell over here. There were some options to catch this move, but overall, just very nice dump through. Possibly if you go look at the 15, we can see this little pin bar over here. And the break of that low just before London Open was the confirmation to start selling deeper down. You can even see that price never came back to the entry. So this is the kind of work I'm going to be looking for. But as we can see, we already tapped it twice, so probability is less. Use decap, please. Yeah, we'll take a look in a minute. I was in GJ cells. Got tapped out, break even low, felt like an idiot. Well, you don't have to feel like an idiot. You made the decision to get in, and you gotta accept both sides. I mean, you just gotta accept the fact that you can lose and accept the fact that you can win. So there's no need for you to feel like an idiot. The only reason you need to feel like an idiot if you did something that was not in your plan. If it was in your plan, then don't feel like an idiot. Will GJ bounces? It's on a buy zone. Probably. Let's see. The way this just maybe. The candle's just gonna close below this area. Candle's just gonna close below this area, and then we have this break of structure over here, and then we're gonna get the next candles to go up, or maybe a big ass wick to the top side. We're gonna form the top wick, tap this zone, break this high. I've seen it happen many times before. I don't know where it's gonna close, maybe over here, and then we're gonna take sells from there, expecting price to continue moving down towards maybe over here. But let's see. Right now it's pretty far down, so wherever it closes is good. GJ 152.950 could be a buy zone. Yes, it's very strong support. Does not mean it's directly a buy zone though. As you can see, the last push away, we had this push, and we could take this entire candle into consideration, maybe even this lower zone. I would wait for 500, 152, 500 to be hit. I'm not, yeah, this is just a very strong support. That's the only thing. You can see how greatly price tapped against this area. And it's still pushed through a little bit. So you got these first taps in a row, right? Fuck. You got these first tap, you got these first tap, rejection, support, like all supports. Then we started to show resistance, rejection, resistance, push through, rejection, and then support. So a lot of things that could happen. We just got a level right here trying to get marked up once we approach the zone. What do you think your USD? It's up. First we're gonna take a look in a minute at USD CAD. 5 stack. Luke, just a question, don't you trade Rajasthan anymore? No, definitely not. It's more like or you probably know Uncle Ted's strategy, maybe more like that. See, don't be shitting yourself because you see price break a high and then running after it. That's the problem straight away with the strategy we were talking about in a minute ago. You're buying the highs, buying the lows, and it's just stupid. You're gonna get clapped. Could even take this zone into consideration from 1800 to 1808, maybe to 1813 even. But that's too big. We're trying to look for smaller confirmations for entries, 15-minute time frames and that. But let's see what happens. Let's see this candle coming down slowly now. We're rejecting top side. We have 2 minutes and 40 seconds to close for this candle. So let's see. Gold for buys, yes. When? Waiting, exactly. Waiting as well. Let's take a look at USD CAD. I have not taken a look at USD CAD for a while now. Well, I have a level all the way over here. It's pretty big. But let's see. Let's see. We got some levels over here as well we could possibly reject away from. On the monthly time frame, let's put some lines over there, see if anything happens at that zone. And to the weekly time frame, we can see we do not really resonate with those zones. Let me remove them. We have one zone straight over here as a resistance, weekly resistance, and then we got pretty much a zone from 126.250 towards this top area. We got a zone over here. We got a zone over here, and then we got a zone over here, and then we got a zone over here. So there's a couple zones right now we're seeing. Then we got a top zone over here, and then top zone over here to this wick. So let's see. Could possibly reject away from this level and push back down to 126, 300, 200. I prefer 200. You can see. You look a little deeper. How well we've been respecting this level. So probably to 250, 200 for possible buys. If not, I'm going to see a little bit further into those time frames. Let's see. We officially had a breakout over here on the weekly time frame. We are outside the breakout over here. So on the weekly, we can see we've been pushing up since October 20th. Oh, just daily time frame. I'm blind as fuck. Give me a minute. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Sort of retest, sort of not. Tap this zone over here, and then push up, higher high, higher low, retest, and then higher high. So what's the probability of price coming back to make a higher low to even go up one more time? It's very high, right? The weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly now. Weekly, we can also see there's the same resistance. It's a little bit higher though. Let's put this one over here. Probably can see a possible 4-hour zone in that. But let's see. I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's go dig a little bit deeper into those time frames. Also keeping an eye on gold. I can see we're passing to 1803 again. Looks like the daily is flipping. We could possibly go with the daily towards these levels over here, which we marked up. I would not be surprised if that happens. There we go. We're back at the zone. That's why you don't take just buys on the one bullish candle or a break of the high. You see the structure being broken, breakout trades, just stupid. That's it. That's the only thing you gotta say about this. So let's wait. Let's wait on this 15-minute candle, next 15-minute candle. If the next 15-minute candle decides to make a nice pin bar, then probably we're gonna be looking for a buy personally. But let's see. Right now, close below, as you can see, 30-minute close below. So just have to wait. There's no signs on any entry, not even sells, not buys. Sells are stupid because you're in the lowest point of the entire move. Buys, yeah, would be smarter. We just have to watch. 140 people watching and only 20 likes. Yes, exactly, Arshan. You just said it. 140 people watching, only 20 likes. 19 likes to be exact. So I think we've got to push those numbers up a little bit. Not even a 5-minute confirmation. We see this level over here. We're still looking at that for a minute, but there's no engulfment. There's no 5-minute, 15-minute confirmation. So just wait. Not even a 1-hour confirmation. But yeah, big man thing. GJ is now at that zone as well, where it might possibly reject away from. See this level over here, a 4-hour time frame. That's nice. You trade BTC USD, no. But let's go back to USD CAD. We've been we just skipped that for a moment. Let's go to the 4-hour USD CAD, and we can see we are making these higher highs, higher lows. Very nice. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This was a daily time frame pullback over here. Daily time frame pullback. New higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And the thing is that we can see is that we are not retesting them. So there's a possible chance that we're coming back to one of these zones to really take one of these buys up. One thing we gotta take into consideration is we have a little order block formed over here, which is also a push away from where price wanted to fake out, retest, and pushed away from. So we're gonna take a look at maybe 126 flat to take buys. That's also a very nice spot, I think. If we maybe take some zones into consideration for a fib, it would also probably work out pretty nicely, maybe from here to here. We would probably see around a 50% zone. I don't know if it's the best way to put that fib from there, but I don't give a fuck, to be honest with you. I really don't care too much about fibs. Maybe from here to here, but I don't care. So let's go on. There's a possible rejection zone over here. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we pushed away from the zone as well. We got some resistances over here, and we are approaching one very, very soon at 1.27363. Possible that we're going to go up to this zone over here to reject away from it. You can see this was a retest candle over here. We had the engulfment, And we had that retest over here. If we go to the lower time frame, 1 hour, see what happened. Yeah, so we had one new support created, and then boom, down. Candle started to push up again, retested this level over here, and then push away. And then we had this one over here as well, push up, retest, continuation. So yeah, let's wait until we approach one of these zones in the 4 hour. Maybe this level over here, in between this area, for a possible sell, and then a possible buy up in this area over here. But let's see. Pound yen is pushing through, gold is rejecting away. Let's see what happens. I do not really trust it right now. Just the one thing, I do see 1797 incoming, that we're gonna break that 1800, get stop losses out, because the, like 1802, 1800 was the buying zone over here, right? So a lot of people got stops at these levels. Stops are all over the place at these levels from people that were buying. So I want to see these stops get taken out, then for us to make place to get in. I think that's a pretty good idea, isn't it? But no, I don't trade Bitcoin. No, I don't. This polka dot shit needs to go up as well, because it's doing my fucking head in. D30's finally having a dump. Finally. This is nice. I like this. Now it needs to go to like 10,000 or something. 13,000. Let's say 13,000. I think that's a pretty good zone. 13,000. Right here. 13,330 maybe. I just want it to go down. I don't even care where it goes. As long as it goes down and makes it able for us to trade again, then we're fine. And then we got the questions coming in, like, why wouldn't you be able to trade it right now? Yes, you are. But
Oh, look at USD try, Turkish dollar.
what?
Just look. Have you ever looked at it? Like I haven't actually physically looked at it. Just look at
USD
USD
TR
TRY.
Turkish lira.
And just look at it on the monthly time frame.
What?
Just look at it. Yeah, just look at it on the monthly. Like look at it's just like what the fuck is this?
Hey, he did have a very nice breakout and retest. You could have catched the move. Bro,
this is what the fuck. Like
44% this move. Oh my god.
Bro, but it's like it's been forever bullish. It's been like ever since it started, it's just been bullish.
So for $1 you get now 12 Turkish lira. That's mad.
Yeah.
Bro,
But,
imagine.
But I was reading earlier that if it passed 11.5, which it already did,
Yeah.
right? I was reading about it earlier. They're gonna have an emergency meeting about it because there's no reason for it to be up this high, and they're gonna stop price from moving up higher.
So you're selling it.
I'm thinking about it.
Fucking hell, this is mad. Look at this 4 hour. This is just from 7 o'clock. Bro, this is 60 cents, fam. This is not usual 10 pips in that. This is 60 cents.
Hey, yo.
What up? Fucking hell, mate.
What is that?
Fucking hell. No, this is USD Turkish lira.
They're on rocks, boy.
Bro, look at this.
Hold up.
Fuck.
This is the monthly.
Look at the daily, bro.
It's just bullish forever.
Like, look at
Makes
these.
no
1, 2,
sense.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What up, Evo Slayer? I'm driving the Evo in that. But I always believe in your analysis. Please don't leave this. Livestream help a lot. People like me can do analytical. It's a mad thing. You going for a full margin sell, like blow up an account, have a stop loss of like
I'll probably
13.
open up an account just for it. And
That's
just
a pretty good one.
Put a couple thousand there just to see what happens.
Yeah, just no stop loss, don't care.
Yeah. But the spreads on it is ridiculous though.
Yeah.
Like look at on your brokerage. Like look how big the spread is.
Let's see. Where gold at? Oh, that's fucked up place. GJ's keeping on dumping. I wish I had GJ, man. That was such a nice entry.
Like gold, how it's printing right now at this level.
Yeah, let's see. Shit. Yeah, that's very, very high spread.
Yeah. It's an exotic.
Yeah. Mad. But you're looking at this candle, innit? Voila. It's
Yeah.
fine. Higher high.
But it just
I don't trust it right now.
messes with me because there's a level down here that I feel like we need to get to first.
Same
And it
thing.
doesn't make sense to look
Same
if you look at the 4 hour to flip bullish like this. I don't know.
Everything's possible. I'm waiting maybe for this zone. But
I
yeah,
might risk it for the biscuit.
you
But
could do some small scalps, innit?
yeah.
I mean, it made equal lows now, so it has liquidity.
Yeah. I want it to spike lower first. Like just spike below that zone. Like 20 pips.
Yeah.
And they get that 5-minute koala candle.
Yeah. I mean it made my candle. But
Yeah.
not how I like it.
This one.
It's too big on both sides. It needs to be the wicks need to be like cut in half on both sides.
Let's see. I call it 20 on GJ and 20 on EJ. Very well done. We're trying to catch 100. I'm just fucking with you. He's dark. He's TzRzetHz. Give him that pip as well. I've heard some people about that. Yes, here they don't do signals anymore. Oh god, people are so fucking stupid, I'm telling you.
What signals?
We never did signals, that's the thing. Never did signals.
That's weird.
I don't know what man's talking about.
Buy gold, that's your signal.
400 pip stop loss.
At least.
150.
At least.
They're gonna be like, okay. That's how a lot of signal services do. They put like 100 pip stop and like a 50 pip take profit.
Yeah, I just don't even
make-
make...
10 pips,
So,
bro.
yeah,
10
so they
pips.
could be like, yeah, we don't lose 90% win.
Bro, I joined the signal group when I first started out, right? This guy
I
would
think
have
everyone
this guy
did.
used to trade US 30 and he would give us 100 pip stop loss on US 30, and the second it hits 10 pips take profit, he's like, all right, move stop loss to break even.
What the fuck? I went to the signal service guy, and they just made a couple lines, and then this was the signal. They just put a line like this, and then this, and then wait, I need to go a little further, and then they expected this. they just put the lines like this, and then say, put a limit over here and put a limit over here. Fucking stupid. Yeah, fucking stupid. And, like every single morning they would send it in, and then you see just this guy making a thing like this, and it would also not make sense, because sometimes they would say like, hey, put a buy limit over here, and then the entire thing goes through, and then it goes back again. So like, it was fucking stupid. But I think I can find one. Let me find one. Name again. Signal was on WhatsApp.
We're teaching you how to fish right here, man.
See this shit here. And I got uh, I had I see this picture over. It's fucking beautiful, man. Hey, you can see this position in drawdown. I asked him, this is fucking long ago, it's 2019. Do I have to worry and close it or leave it? It's like, leave it, mate. Big drawdown.
Crazy.
Wait, I got him over here.
He said leave it
Yeah,
in
yeah.
drawdown. No, that's a mistake. You should have known right off the bat from there.
Sound like someone we know.
I went there 2 days and I left. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Hold up. I'm gonna put it on right now. Just send it like this, no joke. Bro,
How does he sell his shit? Wait, you put a 5 lot down on shit like that?
probably, but this doesn't make sense, right? He says sell and then it's expected to go up and then down again. Like, what the fuck? Stupid.
I mean, he did try to sell a lower high. Go back to that first picture. Where he sold it. Where you see like the sell 5.
Here, but yeah, then it makes sense to sell over here, right? In it.
It kind of does. It's a little
But
bit.
he had these limits as well. Let me see. They'll stop. Breakout. Look how fucking many charts it sent. I mean, it wasn't the worst strategy because they were selling high.
Is he
but-
still active?
I don't know. He's trying
Wait,
to buy
he's sending
fucking
you
high.
these signals like to your personal account?
No, you have to put them in yourself.
What do you mean? No, like I'm saying, like the signals is a group, right?
No, it wasn't really like a group. They just sent it on WhatsApp as a personal.
Oh, some Indian dude.
No.
Yeah, because I get a lot of those.
Like
A
some
lot
are
of
some are
those.
even not like bad ideas, but they could be worse. But they're all
Somebody
1-to-1.
was- I remember a signals group. He came and he was texting me, and then I just sent him a picture of my MetaTrader. He was like, "Okay, never mind."
A matting. Do you have any sandwich for sale? If you really want to.
Nice.
Of course I have.
Man, I should have never closed myself from yesterday, bro. I'm crying. Sad.
Yeah, I have sales from 45.
Sad. Oh. I violated my rule and got violated.
I mean, I took an L though when I was trying to buy at the 30s area, 30s, 20s area. I was trying to take a buy from there, but I took an L.
Yeah, I took an L and a dub yesterday. Put my account to break even. But I like this gold though, I ain't gonna lie. The way it's printing those fake rejection candles to the top. But I just don't like the 1 hour.
Which- Yeah, that's fucked up. Closing in 12 minutes.
Yeah,
Mate,
1
those
hour.
idiots make money on their signal subs, not trading, and they are trading demo with massive lot. Yeah, and the thing is, you know what's funny as well? They just want you to sign up to their broker, which is also most of the time some dodgy ass
Affiliate
broker.
link.
They send you a link and then they get like $500 or something for you to sign up and use like.
Nah, bro, it's not even like that. They get an affiliate link, so they get a percentage of the commission that the broker
Mhm.
makes.
Yeah, no, some even get more, bro. Some you sign up, go to some brokers right now. Some you sign up, and then you get like $500 a person.
That's nothing. That's nothing. I'm telling you, they get a percentages of your trades per trade,
Damn.
right?
Mad.
Like yeah.
Yep, say you catch one, say you get one on your servers with like a $150,000-$200,000 account. You get like 1% of every trade.
Yeah,
Shit.
there you go.
You call out like 50 trades a day. He's calling them all. Putting them all in. Damn, that's finesse right there. That's
I
straight.
remember one time one of my friends was trading, and he wanted to sign up to my broker or whatever. So I gave him like the information to my brokerage or whatever, and he signed up. And apparently the broker, made it like an affiliate link, right? He blew the account, right? And he was so pissed. He put like what was it, 40K, something like that, and he blew it. So randomly out of nowhere, I get a deposit into my account for 5,000.
Yeah,
And I
that's
was
fucked up. Well, it's not
Yeah,
fucked
right?
up, but
What?
it's
What?
good for you, but fucked up for your mate.
No, so what I did was I took it and I gave it back to him. I
Damn,
took it and gave it back.
At least
He was so
at least he
happy
lost
that I gave him
35.
back 5,000.
Yeah. At least he lost 35 instead of 40.
But if I was in a good friend, I would have just kept that shit.
Nah, but just because he blew his account, you get that.
Yeah, he blew. It's every trade, right? So he lost his account because he was trading oil back in the day.
Oh
He was
shit.
trading oil, and oil went to zero, right?
Oh yeah.
So his account blew, right? And I got a percentage of that commission that the brokerage made or some shit like that. I don't know what the math is behind it, but I got 5,000 deposited into my trading account, and I was like, where the fuck did this come from? So I called the broker and I was like, well, where is this? And he was like, it's from your friend's blown account.
Mad.
Literally,
That's mad.
right? And then what the fucked up thing is, right? So I told the brokerage, right? I told the guy, I was like, take the money from my account and give it back to him and put it back into his account. He's like, I can't do that or whatever. You have to physically manually go give it to him. So like I wanted to see the guy personally and tell him what happened, right? I didn't call him. I didn't want to be like, I wanted to like make it like a surprise, and give it to him like cash. And then I get a call out of nowhere from the actual guy. He calling me, he's bitching me out. And I was like, what the fuck happened? He was like, the broker called me and said that you have the money that you took money that I lost. And I was like, dude, I was gonna give it back to you. I was like literally, I told the broker to give it to you. Did he not tell you that? He was like, nah, he didn't tell me. I was like, fuck you, dude. You should know me better than that.
Trying to get scammed in it.
Nah, they were trying to like use him to like, cause I told the broker that I was gonna give him the money, right? So they were like, all right, so the mentality was, all right, he's gonna give him the money, so he has cash. So you let him deposit the 5K back in and lose it again,
Yeah.
So they're trying to like get him to come back, but he wasn't coming back.
Come on, guys. A crypto miner again, man. A big man thing. Exactly. Got 200 people in and only 56 likes. We gotta push those numbers up. Gotta push those up. Let's see. 7 minutes left for this candle to close.
I went to the YouTube.
Yeah.
I unliked it on accident because I thought I haven't liked it already, but I liked it already. And then I liked it again. I said, oops.
Shit, boy.
Let me like it real quick.
Perfect.
There you go. 54.
We got less dislikes than normal. That's unusual.
We wouldn't know.
Yeah, normally there's this small group of people that comes in and just presses every single morning. I'm telling you. What's your bias on gold today, sir? Bullish.
15% a month for 12 months turns into 267,512.51.
Wait, hold up. What?
So if you have a $50,000 account,
What
and
you
you
calculating? Let's calculate for a moment.
make 15% a month for 12 months, you turn 50,000 into 276,512.
How many months?
In a year.
Yo, so
Sheesh.
there's a guy in my group, right? He works at Goldman Sachs, right? And he works the desk for USD Try, right?
Yeah.
He works the desk for like he manually trades this pair, and he was like, "It's going to 20."
Damn. He expects
He
20.
just texted the group. He was like, "It's going to go to $20 USD try."
It's fucked
It's
up.
at 12 right now.
Some people about to get bankrupt. Always a great
man.
stream filled with knowledge. Perfect. Thank you, Henrik. Now we're getting that break. Let's see. 1 hour
Yeah,
closes.
that was a fucking 30 pip drop.
Yep. Go over here and then we're gonna buy the shit out of it. I want GJ to go back up. That's the only thing I'm asking for right now.
It should in the long run. It's just gonna lag around here for a bit. 'Cause what it's doing is kind of just like accumulating. It's about to start a little range on the daily here. Watch, like it did. If you go from like 22nd of July to like 29th of September, it's gonna do something like that. Some jibber bullshit. For the next rocket. Damn, gold. I don't think there's buys today, bro.
It's
Just keep going.
no, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's
I like
perfect to buy lower, but
Holy
I don't think today's the
shit.
day.
I'm looking at this level. I'm looking over here to start buying.
Let me look
This
at
is the
it.
breakout.
That was the wick. That was the wick, bro. That was the wick. Look at the wick.
Wick.
I'll look at a little bit lower, cause look how forced this shit is, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
Shit's
You don't have to be in
insanely
it.
bearish. Yeah,
Tomorrow we got like the beginning of NFP as well, right?
I'm looking at 1774.
Something. What do we have?
Not some.
Oh,
not
unemployable
tomorrow. What are you
claim.
talking
No,
about?
no,
This next week.
Yeah. Next week.
But next week's gonna be interesting because you have a monthly candle close
Yeah.
and NFP, so it's gonna be nice.
We do have a bank holiday Thursday. What
Today
is it?
too for GJ, I think. I think it's today.
Thanksgiving Day. Servants of Thanksgiving Day, okay. Tomorrow we do have some news. Mad things. Lot of news.
5 minutes, we're gonna flip bullish. Watch.
Yeah, it's doing what I said. If it comes spikes like that and closes back above, I might get in for a quickie.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that's a 21 pip 5-minute candle, bro.
Look at your stops.
Look
Big
on
man
your
thing.
WhatsApp, Luke.
Okay. You did some crazy shit in it.
No.
It's like
What the fuck you mean?
Yeah, but
What?
that was a long time ago. You was late on that.
Yeah. I was eating, fam.
Now you gotta look at the Forex calculator.
I already did. 15%. 12 months.
oh, look at that 5 minute, bruh.
It's
Yeah,
a
that
big
shit's-
man thing candle.
That shit's insane.
I don't know if this is the greatest situation to be in.
I'm not buying that. Just
I'm
chilling.
still, yeah, because it's still it's still respecting the area that it broke out of
Yeah.
on the 5 minute. It was funny. One of my friends posted a post on Instagram. He was like, 2019, avoid negative people. 2020, avoid positive people. And then 2021, avoid people.
I get that one.
Yeah.
Positive as Corona.
Yeah.
That one's pretty good. Coronavirus.
The C thing. Big man thing candle in it.
Did you guys get vaccinated?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I didn't.
I had to.
Me no trust vaccination from government.
There's literally no way I can't not get vaccinated here. Like
Yeah,
from how much people got vaccinated here, they're like, there's no more masks required.
the same as over here. Now we're fucked.
Yeah, they're
Bro.
over there. Here in Rotterdam and Amsterdam, they're throwing shit, breaking shit.
Yeah, bro. There were police cars on fire.
They're
Shit,
going hard.
people getting
for their
shot.
rights. People in Belgium shitting their pants. They're pussy.
Yeah, bro. Maybe in Brussels you're gonna see something, but
Well, you
Rotterdam
might-
is different. These people
Rotterdam,
are.
them folks.
Yeah,
like
I
them
live
folks.
near. Yeah, I live near Rotterdam.
It's because there's a
My
lot of
parents are
Haitians
from
and stuff
Rotterdam.
over there too.
Bro.
Haitians and
People from Rotterdam, they're rude. I can be rude as well. If you want me to.
I like.
But- Yeah, it's people, they fight for their rights.
Yeah.
That's people from Rotterdam. Amsterdam people are pussies. For the people that are watching.
They're doing it more than Belgium. At least they're doing something. Belgium's just like, yep, here's my arm. Give me my medicine. I call my dad a sheep.
Boy,
Not mad.
we got this. This is a delicate situation. We got 1 hour candle, 1 hour left for this 4 hour candle to close. I do see this coming back up and closing doji like though.
What?
Like this kind of, I don't see it flip, but I do see it like with a big wick. But I
Gold,
don't know.
right when you said that, it flipped right back down. Look at that.
Everybody
I was
had to
looking at
get
the
stop
same
loss.
thing. Like, bye. Full margin. Get in there.
Big man.
400 pip stop loss.
At least.
100 pip take profit.
And then
I
take
know,
profit
you'll
all at
probably
10.
That'll probably work.
Now it's coming
Goddamn.
up to, see, look, but without even looking, from
What?
where price is at right now, draw 400
Dodgy
pips.
shit.
That's a perfectly structured stop loss.
Yeah, that's below 60. That's perfect.
Perfect.
That's
Perfect.
perfect. That 60 is a
Yeah, look
strong
at-
ass zone.
Yep.
I ain't gonna
If
talk
you go
shit.
100 pips to TP, right?
And then it'll be like a,
It makes
1
sense.
to 2.
Yeah, for
It'll
sure.
be a 1 to 2.
Of course.
A 1 to 2. A 1 to
course.
2 risk to reward.
For
Yeah.
sure. For sure. I think it won't be 1 to 85 times 3. I think that's a pretty good situation right there. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. And if you over leverage, you could make more.
If you pull that fib, if you pull that fib from here to here, you're definitely gonna get that triple your account, man. I ain't gonna lie. Easy. Like not just that, but if you get that fib channel,
Ooh, we're in the bullseye zone.
exactly. We're right there, like right
like
there,
that.
on point.
I like that.
Yeah, I ain't
We're at
lying.
the 0.78. What the fuck is that? Like for real? Like a
Yeah,
bullseye
I got
Fibonacci?
no
What
idea,
the
bro.
hell?
This is a fib channel.
It's a channel?
That means that you have to put it in a channel like this or something.
That's insane.
I don't even know how the fuck this works, but probably something like this. I do
That's
see it
just
working
weird.
like this. Or maybe it's like this.
What the
Top.
fuck is this?
I got no fucking idea, man. Probably like this. And then we gotta go back to.
I showed you the guy's signals group, right? The one that was looked like a Holocaust,
Yeah.
Illuminati type looking chart thing. Did you see it before? I showed it to you, right?
I think I've seen it. Send it again.
I gotta find it. Hold on.
Now we're on 1800. This is a psychological zone, guys. Okay, now. Let's see. What's your thought on gold long-term drop? But I do see 1900 coming as well. Yeah, I got a feeling this 5 minute ain't gonna do much. I mean, it's closing nice.
Yeah, it's closing really nice, but
I got a feeling this shit's gonna turn and fuck you up real quick. Especially the way this 1 hour closed.
look at that fucking Stop loss insanely big.
Yeah, I don't like big stop loss. Like max 20 is already 25, and below here is 30 pips. So where you have to be taking profit is all the way over here, which does not make sense.
I sent it to you, Luke.
Let's see.
He sent me this chart. I was like, what the
Fuck
fuck
is that?
this?
Are you serious?
I was serious. I was like, what?
But this boy is also serious.
Bro, I was like, what the fuck?
Nah, what?
I couldn't understand anything. And I was like, bro, like I need to call you just for me to like understand what the fuck you see. Because I don't understand shit.
Okay, then who designed this?
I have no idea. You can put it on.
Designed
You can
this.
put it on the YouTube if you want to show the people.
Yeah, it's not what's up. The fuck is that? Where can you even get that?
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe somewhere here?
You want me to send it to you on Instagram?
No, I can put WhatsApp web at the moment. Yeah, this is not to my liking. It's rejecting, but look at this 1 hour. Like, there's a higher chance of this 1 hour tapping 1803 and tapping back into this zone.
1 hour just open. You can't trust that.
Can't trust it. And you still got an hour for the 4 hour to close.
Yeah. I think I'm about to start up some Halo Reach till that 1 hour per hour. Or Halo Reach, Halo Infinite.
Why Halo and not Call of Duty?
Bro, that game's garbage. I don't like Call of Duty.
Why?
It damn near made me break everything that I own. Played it to I'm
more of a
prestige,
FIFA player.
and that's it.
I just play FIFA.
Yeah, I suck at FIFA. You could beat me with one hand on that. That's how bad I am. What about good old CS:GO? Nope. Too many sweats on there. You walk around the
What do you
corner,
want?
you're dead.
What do you want? Huh? Huh? Did you guys see the new nigga?
What?
Did you see the new little nigga?
Show me.
The new little nigga. Oh my god.
Boy!
Profanity on the stream.
Boy, he's already waving. He sees those pips coming. This man is gonna be a future millionaire. He's 5, and then New York can already catch bigger moves than we can. Watch.
What up, boy?
That's your new kid?
That's my new baby.
Congratulations. How many
Thanks.
more to the football teams complete?
Like
Yes.
10?
13.
Damn. I thought 10 was cool. Another 3?
Bro.
What's up, buddy?
So cute.
You got some big ass hands, bro.
You know
He's
what
got
that
them
means,
fisted, bro. Man's beating Mike Tyson. He's going
Bill
left,
put
right.
his ass in the ring, boy. You got them big ass hands.
But this is what AJ sent me of his friend. The fuck is this, man? The fuck is this?
Yep.
I
That's
don't
what he sent
like.
me, bro.
I see one line that's lining up, but that's this one. This one is not having something, but I don't know about the rest. There's some support here. There's some resistance over here. I do see some things, but this don't make sense at all. This
Yeah,
this
This is a
entire
trend
shit
line,
is
you know. This
fucked
is a
up.
trend line, you know.
You know.
Yeah,
And he's expecting, oh, we're gonna go to here. We're gonna go to here. We're gonna go all the way
But
to
if
here.
you look at those purple lines, bro, it's like the zones stop all through there. And
Bro,
just
this is
reverse.
like fucking
Look
character
at the
of
purple
fucking.
lines, bro. The purple lines respect like crazy.
Yeah, I see disrespecting as well, but. Oh, you
That's
mean this?
weird.
These top? Yeah, I don't know about this, man. I don't know about this. I think it's like some, bro.
some voodoo shit, bro. I
Yeah,
put like a table on it with, you know, summon your demons.
All right, moment
Got
of
you,
truth.
bitch. Got you,
Moment of
bitch.
truth.
Got you, bitch. Oh
Moment of
god.
truth right here. Uh-oh. If I get some good price action, I'm selling that shit.
You lied.
No, I'm serious.
Okay.
Sell it down to the next zone. Still 100 pips away.
What the hell is that thing? I don't know what that is, man. Yeah, pretty mad. Gold fly. Let's see. 1 hour didn't close that good. What about good old Counter-Strike? Sure. Pound news in 20 minutes.
I swear I could have sworn today was a bank holiday for the pound. What is everyone talking about?
No,
Am I
it's
tripping?
yen.
Oh yeah, the yen is a holiday. Okay. Got it mixed up.
Yeah, man. And we got Thursday, we got bank holiday for the dollar.
Yeah, Thanksgiving.
Pretty good.
Turkey Day.
Mm-mm-mm.
That 5-minute close like super strong though. What the fuck?
It's weird. I don't like the big stop loss right now.
No, I'm not buying that. I'm waiting.
Same thing. Better wait and don't get clapped.
I already got clapped this morning.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What do you do?
I bought it. I bought it. I'm thinking about coming to the markets later because
Yeah, me too, man. Maybe
Still
in
like
kind
half
of New
asleep.
York. New York is probably gonna be good. Do you think GU will get to 1300? It already did a couple taps. We got equal lows over here. Right here, so let's see. Still 5-minute time frame though, so we don't care too much. But all the way to shit, that's pretty far, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a full-on swing. Kind of weekly. Yeah, possible. There's a zone right here. You can see if we look left. I would say 13, 1.305, 36, but yeah, we're in a downtrend. There's a very high possibility. But I would see it first respecting this, coming back up to maybe this area over here one more time, or dump through and then come back up to start selling. But either or we're gonna take buys or we're gonna take sells from here to continue moving down. I like the way this is rejecting now, and then if this candle closes below this area, I'm gonna be looking for sells up top over here. Look on the 1 hour time frame. There's not that much. 30-minute. We have one zone over here, one zone over here. But especially if we look on the 30-minute, we have this push away from this little candle over here. So I'm probably going to be looking at 153, 150 again for sells. I missed this one because this happened end Asian session and we weren't watching and alarm didn't wake us up. So overall, we're just waiting. I'm going to put a alarm at a couple levels right now to get notified if we get there. So probably higher. $154, $150, and I'm gonna be really looking at. Gonna be really looking at 200. Start selling. It's pretty nice. So these are set. GU, yeah, GU. I'm just waiting for price to come back to here again. That's pretty much what I'm waiting for. Or maybe to this zone over here, 280. That's a nice selling zone as well. So I should redo my analysis on GU. So that's why I'm just deleting it. Let's redo these one more time before we're gonna stop. So the first line over here, which is a pretty nice zone, but this push away from this level, so there's also a zone where we could possibly go towards. Right now we broke out over here. We sort of retested already, but as we can see, this weekly is already breaking the lows and pretty much rejecting. $10 moon, yes, of course, flying, man. $10 is matting. Got this low form, so we have a target created for sells. Look on the daily time frame, we can see we're still printing bearish. We broke this level, retested, We broke this level, retested, as we can see. And we have this candle over here where we pushed away from. We broke this level, retested us as well. So this is these are all older zones. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And in the 4-hour, we have this consolidation area over here. We had the break over here, retest, and we had this break over here. And we did not retest this level yet. So there is a possibility that we might go back towards this zone over here to possibly get some sells inside this area over here with this order block formed. So it's not too strong, but let's see, especially on the 2 hours, the 3 hours, it's nice. Could possibly go back to this level over here. So if we're going to mark this one up on the 2 hour, we see order block sitting right here. It's a pretty nice zone. Just going to tap it from here to here for the moment. That's pretty much what I'm going to be planning for GU. I'm going to put my alert directly under the zone. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. So probably somewhere here. Gonna be waiting for price to come there, and then we're gonna probably take some sells over there in between this area.
Did you buy Shiba Inu?
No. Yeah, I had buys, yes, but I sold them.
Why?
Because the big wheel was selling them.
I feel sorry for everybody that got in after that. Because that shit dropped like 50%. Like,
Yeah,
more.
mad. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for sell somewhere over here, so I'm going to be alerted over here. And then target is probably gonna be this low, so if we get in over there, we see a nice candle formation. We have around a 80 pip to maybe 70 pip, 80 pip target. Stop loss not that big. Stop loss can be even at the top of this level, so around the 25 to 20 pip stop. Maybe even lower if we see candle form and take it based upon that candle. Now waiting for GJ to come back up to this zone, get alerted over here. Take sells. It's a pretty good idea, I think. Love those alerts. Yes, I love them as well. And I love them especially when they don't wake you up. I need to make like a fucking speaker only on TradingView that alerts me when my alarms go off. Gold wise, yes. Gold wise alerts, not really. We're already at the zone. Maybe if we're gonna pass through this zone, so I'll maybe put a alert below this level over here at 1790, 17 right here. If we pass through this area, then I'll, oh yes, play sound. There we go. If we pass through that zone, then we're definitely going to be looking for some buys over here. So let's see. Right now.
So like I see some guy in the YouTube saying I'm in buys on TV, right? But like my response to that is just like, because I see a lot of people doing the same thing, like even in other groups as well. It's like, okay, like you see it as your analysis. You analyze it. All right, we're gonna go up to this zone. So a lot of people, what they do is they're like, all right, I'm a buy because you see it going up to there.
Yeah.
Right? But you guys have to realize too that if it doesn't reach there, right, we didn't lose because we're waiting for it to reach there. If it doesn't reach there, we're not taking a trade. Plain and simple.
And the thing is, everyone starts buying at the same time, shit's gonna go to shit anyways.
Yeah, I'm looking at gold right now. I'm not saying what I'm doing, but it's looking real juicy. I'll be back.
Can I? There's one like this. Yeah.
Yeah, don't trust it right now. I want to see this level pass, and then let's see. 92 for me is one of the zones that I really want to see getting tapped. Then we're in the middle of that OB. Pretty much. 92 around that. I'm gonna put one alert over there as well. 93 flat, 93.5 probably. 93.5. Kind of goes yeet. Yeah, and then we're trying to go back up, maybe towards this slope over here. There was official break of structure over here, so and break of structure over here, and with a break of structure over here. So there's a couple of zones that where we could possibly pull back towards. We have some imbalances over here as well. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There's some good imbalances that we could possibly fill. Can you recap G of today? You mean like right now? We could. So start session. Start session. For me, 8 o'clock. Most of the time, actually 7:30, but I start looking at 8 o'clock. And end session is in 15 minutes. So what we can possibly see right now happening. See the performance? No. Excellent. But let's take a look. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the previous 4-hour candle has closed bearish below support. And we have a low to be formed. Low to be filled, and as we can see, price opened pretty well. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the close price pretty much at the new 4-hour open was not the strongest 4-hour candle, so price had to make a top wick on the 4-hour time frame, back up towards previous zones, as we can see. And at 8 o'clock we had nothing yet, so that's good. Yeah, in my opinion, this was just a 4-hour pullback to make a top wick, get people into buys. If we go deeper into the time frames one more time, we can see that the 30-minute also price was slowing down over here. As you can see, it was in this range. It's at support. So pretty much, if you really want to say, the range is from here to here, and we were pretty much ranging till the end of 9:30, which possibly gave some people a better entry over here. One thing, yes. So this is what I'm thinking. You had this trend coming over here, open 4-hour pullback. Price got pushed up. They're not gonna open the price over here at London Open, right? Because it's too low. Then they had the last push up before London Open, and you can see where price opened, right? They're not going to open the price over here, start taking buys, because that's too high, and they want to open the price over here to start taking buys. So they opened the price high. They pushed the price up from pretty much from Frankfurt when it was low, and then opened the price over here to continue moving down. But eventually, it's still in a range. It just tried to tap out, but you can see it's really having some trouble trying to get out of that range. But you can see what pretty much happened from that 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock had a fake out over here, fake out, push up, fake out to the top side. As you can see, fake out. If you look on the 5-minute, we pretty much closed above these zones over here. We didn't close above this one, but we did have wicks outside, so there was probably people buying. Fake out, and then top of the zone we closed at London Open, and then push down because we had to continue moving down with the trend. That's pretty much what I would be looking at on GU, but for me it's moving too slow now. There's not much things I could have done. There's only 30 pip range, so yeah, I don't care. 1802, we're dropping. Oh no, we're not dropping again. We're still good. We are still good. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. We still have 240 people in, and we only have 93 likes. We gotta at least push those numbers up, and make sure to also subscribe. For the people that do not know yet, I also have a community. It will be closed probably the end of the next month, so the intake is right now. I'm gonna let you guys know some more about it. Next to that, the next, well, pretty much this Sunday, the first whiteboard video will be uploaded. It's ready already, and it's about to be uploaded. I'm gonna put it in probably in Premiere this Saturday, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Make sure to also tune in on that. here is the community. If you want to check it out, make sure to also click on the link that I'm sending right now in the chat. If you want to know more about it, we have a little private group where we discuss ideas with ourselves and some more, just private calls and all of that. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again at the London session live streams. Also, thank you to AJ and Guala for coming in. I'm going to give them a quick shout out on Instagram. If Instagram wants to load. Here we go. Got a man like AJ. Make sure to also follow him. I'm gonna put the link also in the chat. And make sure also to follow. Make sure also to follow man like Bank Robber 1922. This is Guala. Make sure to follow him as well. And then obviously myself. Good to give that a little follow as well. I'm gonna put those in the chat. I've got man like lk.london. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, bye bye. Peace out.